When evaluating a manufacturing company idea, it is crucial to carry out in-depth market research to find possible openings and gaps in the sector. This entails examining consumer trends and rival products that may have an impact on the viability of the suggested idea. The top 10 manufacturing business ideas to launch the manufacturing company are shared in this video. First, let's dig into the world of medical ampoules manufacturing. In today's healthcare environment, the need for clean and precise ampoules is ever-growing. This is the #1 medical ampoules manufacturing firm. By making an investment in this company, you can help the healthcare sector thrive while guaranteeing the security of both patients and medical personnel. Second largest manufacturer of toys, discover #3 Spring Manufacturing Business. The toy manufacturing business is a creative enterprise that provides endless opportunities to make children happy all over the world. From interactive gadgets to fluffy toys, there's a market for every entrepreneur. Although they may appear little, springs are quite important in many different industries, including the demand for dependable springs in the automotive, aerospace, or electronics industries is always there. Establishing a spring manufacturing company can establish you as a key supplier in these. Music, manufacturing of wooden plates. 4 business sectors are involved in the manufacturing of wooden plates. Embrace sustainability as the globe moves toward environmentally friendly alternatives by starting a wooden plate production company. The market for biodegradable tableware is expanding, and you can meet this demand by using renewable resources in automated robotic electronics parts manufacturing. 5. Automated robotic electronics parts manufacturing. In a technologically advanced era, efficiency is crucial. By incorporating robotics into the production process, you can optimize operations and supply top-notch components to tech industries globally. 6. Leather belt manufacturing. Fashion and functionality collide in the leather belt manufacturing industry, with fashionable leather belts are a timeless accessory that are a mainstay in wardrobes all over the world. If you can create a distinctive style and design, you can become the 7th fashion industry leader after pasta manufacturing. Manufacturing company engage in the culinary arts by producing pasta using both classic recipes and cutting-edge flavors. Pastas continue to captivate foodies around the globe by providing high-quality goods with a dash of authenticity that can sate cravings and gastronomic wants. 8th Carton box manufacturing company keeps e-commerce operating with a carton box manufacturing company in the era of e-commerce. Packing is paramount. By offering durable and bespoke carton boxes, you can help businesses ship items safely and effectively. 9. Textile garments manufacturing of textile clothes. Manufacturers of textile clothing, from basic necessities to trendy items, ventured into the fashion industry. In the fashion industry, couture fabrics are essential because they allow designers to remain on top of trends and produce high-quality outfits that inspire, endure, and incorporate 10 open recycling. Finally, an open recycling factory can have a sustainable influence. As environmental consciousness rises, so does the need for recycling solutions. By turning garbage into useful resources, you can help create a cleaner, greener future for future generations.